Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Dewanya and I would like for you to like, comment, and subscribe first and foremost. Hopefully you'll like my videos. This is going to be about me loving food. I love to cook and just my life journey. I just chopped my hair off like 2 weeks ago. I got tired of the weaves and the braids, and as you guys can see, it kind of was killing my edges. So I'm 38 years old now. It's time to let go, be free, and just love being me. So I like to take you all on this journey with me. And I'm in my kitchen right now, as I said before. So I'm home and I just love talking and I love cooking. And I'm kind of like a serial job hunter. I'm going to be very honest with you guys on this channel. And I'm very nice and respectful. But if you get nasty with me, I will get nasty back. So, yeah, I'm a mom. I have great children. My daughter is in the 12th grade now, and she's gotten accepted into like 6 colleges here, and I'm from Boston. So just to let you guys know, this channel is going to be about me and my life and cooking. I love cooking, so I'll be showing videos and I'll be talking. I love to talk and I like to cook. And since I'm a serial job hunter, might as well make a YouTube channel and just go with the flow. So I hope you enjoy my video.